Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will be showing you how to make
Panna Cotta, a very popular and simple Italian dessert. Panna Cotta is a dessert that once ready needs to be poured into your serving dishes or ramekins immediately. So the first thing you have to do is prepare your stations. And if you want to use ramekins that you want to turn over the panna cotta, you could spray it with cooking spray or a few drops of vegetable oil, and with a paper towel just go in and wipe off all the excess. Exactly, it will help to release the panna cotta from the ramekin. And cross your fingers, because sometimes it's a hit and sometimes it's a miss.
So we'll be preparing two serving dishes and then two ramekins, and we'll show you both ways.
There you go. Now, isn't that easy? We show you step by step how to make this beautiful dessert. I started by warming up the whipped cream, a bit of whipped cream in a little saucepan. I poured it in the gelatin, gave it a quick stir, and I set it aside so it would solidify. In the meantime, in another saucepan, I warmed up the whipped cream. Once that started warming up, I added the sugar, the vanilla, gave it a quick stir, and then I added the gelatin. And you stir till everything is completely dissolved over a medium heat burner. Once it's done, you just have to pour it into your dishes. Wait till it cools completely at room temperature before adding a plastic wrap. And we put it in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours, but overnight is best. And we'll show you how to garnish soon.
So once this one's in the fridge, we're going to give you some TV magic, and my mom has already prepared a batch for us to garnish today, so that's what we're going to be showing you how to garnish. You can garnish as you wish. We've chosen our toppings and we'll take you in on a closer look. How beautiful do these look? As we said, we can garnish them in so many different ways. For this one, we just chose some berries because we found it would pair up so nice with homemade Vino Cotto, which is something that my mother would do as a child with my grandfather. So we'll show you guys how to do that on a separate episode. But we hope you guys enjoyed. Give this one a try. Very simple. The hardest thing is patience, waiting for this to set in the fridge and hoping for the release, which I think we did really well. They released.
They released. It was a hit this time, but sometimes it's a miss, but no worries, they're always delicious.
We hope you guys give this one a try. Let us know in the comments if you do. And until next time, we wish you a wonderful day and continue to always
love what you eat.
Love what you eat.
Bye for now.